this video, I want to talk about how you can deposit on Trust Wallet. Now this is super simple. You can use the Chrome extension or you can use the mobile app. Inside of here, what you want to do is find the crypto that you want to deposit money. So you can just do one of the major ones, or you can click here if you want to do any of the others. Then simply select it, press on the buy button, and this will take you to a buy section. Inside of there, you can choose your payment method, so card or whatever one you want to do, and then just type in the information, type in how much you want to buy. Let's say you want to do $100 worth of Bitcoin, then simply type that in, and after it has been confirmed, you will now have $100 of whatever you bought in your account. So that's basically how you can deposit. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.